Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to apply bold, italic and underline in Excel sheet. So right now as you see, I already opened the Excel sheet and this is the sheet 1. So this can be done in two ways. One using the toolbar, like we have bold, italic and underline, or we can do it through keyboard using the Ctrl B, Ctrl I and Ctrl U keys. If you are using Mac, then it should be Command B, Command I and Command U keys. So for example, I have some words: apple, banana, carrot. Okay, so I want to make apple bold, then I can simply select the word which I want to make it bold, and then I can go to toolbar and click on B. So it will make the apple bold. So if I want to make it through keyboard, then simply select the word and press the Ctrl B or Command B button. See, banana, I just pressed through my keyboard, then it made the banana in bold. So if I want to remove the formatting bold, then I can simply click on the word which is already in bold and then click on the B in the toolbar, bold. Okay, so the bold font is gone. Now the same thing we can do by selecting the word and pressing the same Ctrl B or Command B button, and see the bold is gone for banana. In the same way we can apply the italic also. So I want to apply the italic to apple, then I will select the I in the command toolbar. Okay, see, apple is in italic font. The same way we can make banana through keyboard using the Ctrl I or Command I, the same way. So if you want to remove the italic format, just simply click on the word and click on the I or Ctrl I or Command I from the keyboard. It's similar to the bold and italic. For underline also we do the same thing, just select the word and click on the U. Okay, so you see underline is added in apple. So same thing for if you want to do through keyboard, just click on the Ctrl U or Command U, then the word is highlighted with underline. If you want to remove the formatting of the underline from the word, just select that cell, particular cell, and click on the U. So it removed the underline. So if you want to remove through keyboard, just select the word and then click on the Ctrl U or Command U in Mac, then the formatting is gone. These are the simple basic things as an Excel learner, as a new learner or novice person should learn. So to make the word bold, simply just click on the bold, or if you want to make it italic, click on the italic, and if you want to add underline formatting, just click on the underline. See, now it has all the three formats, and you can also see it is highlighted in the toolbar, bold, italic, U. If I select the another word, they are not highlighted. So if I make it only bold, you see the only bold is highlighted. That means banana is only in bold, it's not in italic and underline. So if I select the apple, you see it's in bold, italic and underline. If I select carrot, none of these three got highlighted. So that means carrot doesn't have any formatting. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to upload more videos. If you want to learn anything specific in the Excel, please comment in the video, then I will definitely try to make it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.